guys, welcome back to our channel. And yeah, Paw Patrol. You guys, Tyler got so many things for Christmas. He got so much things for Christmas. So I decided that I'm going to do a real quick haul to show you guys all the things that he got. And these things are things comprised from Babe and I, his grandparents, his aunties, his uncles, and his friends. All these things. I can't even remember what is, well, I remember what is from what, but there's what is from who, but there's from so much people. I'm just going to go ahead and tell you what he got instead of who he got them from. Alright, first of all, he got this Paw Patrol pouch, which he's super in love with. You love this one, right? Yeah, and he's right here in front of me, so you guys probably won't see him. So he got this Paw Patrol Paw Patrol couch. I'm just gonna move them out my way because he's just gonna dive into everything real quick. So I just want to get the video out my way. Okay, he got this, and whatever I don't remember, baby's going to just tell me what it is along the way. He got this puzzle, which is a 5-year plus, because Tyler master puzzle any puzzle under that HE master. It said only right that he got.
Puzzle in one.
Babe said this is a 3 puzzle in one and he already wants it.
Hi guys.
So babe gonna help you along the way. Okay, Papa is gonna hold it for you. Go.
Oui, Papa va l'ouvrir.
Go on.
So it's 3 puzzle in one for this one.
Papa gonna open it for you. He also got this Paw Patrol truck, and if you guys know that Tyler is super into Paw Patrol. He's into Paw Patrol, Spider-Man, and Minions. Those are the things he's into. So he got this Paw Patrol truck, which he super love. He got this remote control car, which I think is so cute. And there go another puzzle, and this is Paw Patrol puzzle.
Yeah,
that
so
he got.
Puzzle,
this is 3 puzzle in one too?
Yeah, same type.
Oh Lord, yeah, I didn't
just Paw Patrol. It's just this one is Paw Patrol and this one is something about Fireman.
Pompier, they call it in French.
Oh, it's Fireman Sam. I don't really know the stories, but it's a Fireman Sam. You already have 1 puzzle like this. Is 3 more.
So it's 3 puzzle in one, so that's like 6 puzzle you already have. Alright, go.
Right.
Go play. Go on. And he got this skate shoe set. I definitely know that who this one is from. This one is from Babe. He got this Paw Patrol skate set, which I super love and can't wait for him to start using it at some point. And he have books on top of books on top of books on top of books, because Tyler is in love with books and more books.
And
so all these books.
Puzzle books.
Okay, tell them what kind of books they are. Just tell them as you go along fast.
Yeah, a story time book. All of these are books. This is a Spider-Man storybook. Oh, this is a puzzle book. So this is book with puzzle inside. I don't know if you can see, you have 9 pieces puzzle here as a card that you can do. So every time, for example, I take out 1 pieces. So this is one piece. So this is a puzzle book. So every page is a story one side and a puzzle on the other side. This is very cute and very nice.
I love it. I'm in love with it. He also got this remote car, and this one actually comes from me. I saw this one in the store and I'm in love with it. So he got this big remote car.
So some other books like stories, Disney stories, to make him sleep in 5 minutes. That's what he's written. He got this book where you have to look out and find. That's how I say.
Yes, you have to look and find this man on every page of the book. He's there.
This is a very nice. This is from Tyler's grandmother.
Yeah.
So she personalized this book. It's a
Sesame Street book that every English kid should know.
Right. So special bedtime story for Tyler. Sweet dreams from Mommy and Papi. So everything inside. The name of the hero is Tyler.
It's so cute.
And some of the book
from his grandma. From
right. So
mom.
It's storybook. Yeah, so we're gonna have a lot of book time together.
You love books. Alright, here we go. Wait.
This is the same one.
Oh, Tyler put it back up here.
Put it back.
Okay, this one he actually got 2 of them. I'm really not familiar with this, but it's called L'espace.
L'espace means space. You got 2 different,
Yeah,
2 different types, 2 different topics. It's like a puzzle. I didn't know what is it. So it's like a book plus a puzzle plus some figurines. So it's like this one is a puzzle. So you play on top of the puzzle and there's a book. So you got 2 like this.
Yeah, but he already opened one. He already opened one. That's why I'm not gonna show you guys that one. He got this cute minion cup from his grandma. I think it has something to do with singing. He can sing down the bottom or something of the song.
Yeah, it's like a cup that
when you knock it like this,
that makes music.
So he got that minion cup.
He got these Playmobil things. That's his first ever Playmobil that he got. So yeah, hopefully you're gonna enjoy it. Playmobil, that is first. I remember when I was young, I used to love Playmobil. So this is Tyler's first Playmobil. This one is 3 to 6 is a Paw Patrol Quizzy. So this is like you have a magic pen, you have some quiz with Paw Patrol stories, and you have to find a good answer. When you find a good answer, the pen make music. So that's educative gift, and you're gonna love it.
Okay, so he got this. I'll let Babe explain this one.
This is another educational gift. This is for counting numbers. So 0 to 10, and it's not only showing the numbers, it's showing
counting in 3 different ways.
Right, 3 different ways to count. So Tyler gonna love and master it.
Okay, he got this Play-Doh set, which have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different Play-Doh color.
6, 7, 8, 9,
10 different Play-Doh color, plus the cutting shapes for the Play-Doh.
That's
which
nice.
Is so cute.
So we're gonna have to play that with him. House character, but in Lego. So you're gonna have to build these things, and build the car. So that's gonna be is one of his first construction games that he have to build shape. So that's nice. Tyler get a lot of new things.
Most of these things he doesn't have, so that's good. He got this fire truck actually from mom's husband, which he super love because it make a lot of noise, so he's in love with this one. This one
is a regular truck. So Tyler like truck like car. So this is a regular truck.
It had a second piece to it that is somewhere around here that he got from his great grandmother, and it also comes with a bunch of cars. I think about 8 cars, which is somewhere around here.
This is like it's called Piranhas. This is like a fishing party, a fishing game. So yeah, you put all of the baby fish here, and with the cane you just have to fish. So this is his first fishing things. I'm sure you're gonna like to play that, but you're gonna have to play with us.
This one, which is absolutely one of my favorite, that Babe got him, and it's basically just a track that you have to build and put the train on it, and it actually it's like you're building a community. It have the trees, it have the people, it have animals, and you just place them. You have bridge, and you place them wherever you want them, and it's like you pretend to play that you're on the street really.
Yeah, and I'm sure Tyler gonna love it. I saw him when he play on his road carpet, and he start to play with the car and following the road, and yeah, so he's gonna love playing with this.
Okay, this one I think is from his grandma. It's a Play-Doh set again, so Tyler will be having a lot of Play-Doh, and he loves Play-Doh. So
one is from his grandma. You have 2 Play-Doh. One from his grandma, one from his auntie. So I don't know which one from who, but yeah, you have 2 Play-Doh things. So you're gonna do a lot of.
This is not Lego.
This is Lego. It's with the Lego on top. So this basically is a Lego with doing some construction. And you can see in the back is like you can make a helicopter, a tree, you can make
and whatever else
a duck, a fish, or any imagination that you have. So that's another construction that you have. That's very nice.
Yeah.
Because at the daycare place they told me he love construction. This is a Paw Patrol. This is from his brother and
yeah, from his uncle.
Yeah, from his uncle and his girlfriend. So this is another Paw Patrol. So you have these Paw Patrol things, this Paw Patrol truck. We have this Paw Patrol truck. So this is like a collection. You have different characters, and every character have
and this
a
one,
big thing. So
this one is
Chase is the dog, the blue dog, one of the main characters.
Yeah.
Is the blue dog set. So this one is he had a rider, the human set, and this time he have the main character set. So it's like a collection, and Tyler is so into Paw Patrol, so he's gonna love it. This one is this is a car.
Electric.
This is a truck. Yeah, electric truck car set. So you have two racing cars. So you have two cars. It's a cars Disney cars set. And yeah, we make the track and we play and we'll see who is the faster.
Okay, and this last box is Spider-Man puzzle again of 46 pieces. I think this one is from my mom.
And this is the final one, is a set from a friend. Yeah, so it's like a pencil, it's like a color things.
It basically have art and craft things in it, which I think is so cute.
Is that a car?
Yes, baby, car. And then this bag over here have a bunch of clothes. So of course you guys know that Tyler is into Paw Patrol. So it's only right that his grandma getting Paw Patrol underwear. And I think they're super cute. So you have those. And he got this nice little black pants. Cool that they're teaching. Oh, something special here. This one, my mother-in-law gave this to me because this used to belong to Babe. So now Tyler get to wear it, which is so cute. So come summer, Tyler will be wearing this one a lot. So it's a hand-me-down, which I think is super cute. And
We got more underwear from his cars. We got this cute shirt for church, which is cool. And that car's underwear go with this car top. And more top. And more top. And these are just the hangers for the tops, really.
basically he have a bunch of these little toys, and these little toys that his grandmother gave him, but they're somewhere around here. So yeah, that's basically almost all the things that Tyler got for Christmas.
So it's a lot of things, but he's been a very nice kid this year, and yeah.
Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys enjoy Tyler little Christmas haul. I know you guys, we've been showing you everywhere we go since we went on vacation. He gets a gift every single day. So I just wanted to show you guys some of the things that he got. Oh, babe, just remind me that something is missing. Where is it?
This is the last a police car, because you have a lot of fireman truck.
And he's also into police.
Right, so that's his first police car, you know.
Anyway, you guys, so this one Tyler is in love with because it also moves on its own and it lights up on its own, so he's super in love with this. So yeah, that's basically all the things that Tyler got for Christmas. I just wanted to show you guys all the things that he got. So we hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, and Tyler, come and say thank you to everybody who gave you gifts. Come, look in the camera, say thanks guys, thanks everybody, merci à tous,
Merci à tous.
bye, au revoir.
Bye. 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 Bye.
Alright you guys. guys, we just want to say thanks to everybody who gave Tyler
Thank
gifts.
you.
We appreciate every single one of you. I love you guys. Bye guys.
Merci.